Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to channel. Today, we're demystifying Warren Buffett's secret sauce by breaking down his key investment principles. Grab your notepads and let's dive into the world of value investing. Buffett's value investing strategy revolves around a few core principles. First up is the moat theory. Buffett loves to invest in companies with a competitive advantage, something he calls a moat. Think of a castle with a protective moat. In business, this moat represents a sustainable competitive advantage that keeps competitors at bay. Look for companies with strong brand loyalty, cost advantages, or unique patents. These are signs of a sturdy moat. Next is the margin of safety. Buffett minimizes risk by buying stocks at prices lower than their intrinsic value, creating a safety cushion in case of unforeseen market fluctuations. To apply this, research thoroughly. Understand the company's fundamentals, cash flow, and future growth prospects. Invest when the stock's market price is significantly below its intrinsic value. Buffett is also known for his long-term perspective. He once said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." It's crucial to think beyond short-term market noise. Don't be swayed by daily market fluctuations. Focus on the company's fundamentals and its potential for long-term growth. Additional tips from Buffett include the importance of diversification and patience. Diversification is key. Invest in what you understand and don't spread yourself too thin. Stay patient. A robust investment portfolio takes time. Let time work its magic, and you'll see the fruits of your patient investing. So, there you have it, Buffett's secret sauce unveiled. The moat theory, margin of safety, and long-term focus are the pillars of his success. Apply these principles wisely, and you might just find yourself on the road to financial success. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content. Until next time, happy investing.